All right, here is a vacuum unboxing. This is brand new in the box. I got it for very, very low price. It's a Dyson Ball Animal 2 Total Clean, which is a Ball Animal 2, but it's all blue. And it has additional attachments, including, like, here's all the tools. We got the tangle-free turbine, this articulating hard floor tool, the carbon fiber brush, mattress, that's an upholstery tool, but yeah. This tool for reaching under furniture, and then this is good for ceiling fans. Yeah, blue is my favorite color, for those of you who don't know, so that's probably the main reason why I'm excited for this, because it's like the Ball Animal 2, which is all purple, but this one's all blue. And we'll compare it with the Ball Animal 3 that's sitting right here. Whoever had this saved it, because they don't make the Animal 2 anymore, because Ball Animal 3 has been out for a few years. Here's the radial root cyclone technology. You guys have been seeing a lot of Dyson videos from me. It's just a nice little change of pace for the time being. The Kirby's aren't going anywhere. I'll have more Kirby videos up very soon. Just figured I'd change things up for a little while. So here we go. We're about to break the seal on this thing. All right. So here's our blue cleaner head. Well, it's a gray cleaner head, but it's got the really nice blue bumper on the front. All right, then we have our basic attachments that go on the machine. Here's our handle grip. The main wand with the cord hook. Yeah, you can see this is all blue. Usually on Dysons, traditionally, they're like, the main action parts are like red. And like same on this one. But on this one, everything is blue. I really like that. I like the way that looks. All right. So then it looks like this box has all the extra accessories. Yeah, here's the angle tool, our tangle-free turbine, our extra long upholstery tool, or extra wide, I should say. And then there's that fiber tool. So then the reach under tool is probably somewhere in here with the machine. What do we have here? We have what appears to be some sort of bag, maybe for the attachments. All right, let's see. Here's the... Well, this is the reach under tool by the looks of it. Okay. And the floor tool. All right, now for the main vacuum. And here she is. Our beautiful blue Cyclone. Blue power button. Everything's blue. It's so pretty. I like the blue. And that's it. All right. So we'll get this thing out and assembled. have all of the paperwork that goes for it. I know I could probably register this with Dyson. It would still be good, considering they've only discontinued it within the last, what, like 2 or 3 years, if that. So, yeah, here it is. Ball Animal 2, which is, the platform is DC-41, was the first machine with this platform, in this platform. Yeah, this thing is brand new, very clean. All right, I'm gonna cut for a second and get situated. All right, so I got everything out of the plastic, and I got the attachment holder and the attachments on here. So now we'll just put the Cyclone back on, stick the handle on, then we'll get the nozzle on. There we go. And then the last thing I need to do is just attach the wand. There we go. All right, I got that all in. And there we go. The machine is all together and looking fantastic. All right, so now we are going to test this Dyson Ball Animal 2 Total Clean. Brand new, never been used. Here we go. So that is the brand new Dyson Ball Animal 2 Total Clean. It did a very nice job on the carpet. Cleaned very well. Picked up quite a bit. Interesting thing is if you guys remember in September, I unboxed a Ball Animal 2 Origin, which was refurbished. It was a DC-40 style machine, but it had this exact head on it. And the thing that was really weird to me is that head struggled on this carpet tremendously. I mean, it would bog down almost, it would stop almost. Whereas this is, even though it's the same exact head, it on this machine, it does absolutely fine. There's no issue with it at all. It doesn't struggle at all. You saw, it did fantastic. So I don't know what that's all about. If it's just the machine, maybe the DC-40 style machine just doesn't have enough power going to the head or what. I don't know, but regardless, this is a great machine. And it and the Animal 3 are both great. So anyway, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.